I'm Sam.
I'm Macy.
From Gold Label. Today is a different type of video. We're not doing any wrapping in this video, but we will be unwrapping. What will we be unwrapping? A beautiful gift from Will at Foglights, and I'll get Nixie to explain to you exactly what's in the box.
I am super excited about this. So these are the new Foglights by Diode Dynamic, and I'm gonna unbox it here for you. So they come with stickers. So these are floods. They're very nice and heavy. The finish is great, and it also comes with, I guess you could call them bezels that go around the truck here. So we're gonna be unboxing those, we're gonna be installing them, and we're gonna see how well they look on the truck. Stay tuned.
So there's 3 10mm bolts to take off the housing of the Foglight. So the bolts are here, 1, 2, and the third one is on the top. Again, it's very easy to access them. There's a lot of room. You take them off and basically the whole Foglight comes out, and then you just unplug the Foglight.
So these come with instructions, pretty straightforward. Number 1, install the supplied nuts. So they do come with hardware, and I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So you only need 3 tools for the job. You need a 10mm to remove the Foglight, you need an Allen key, this is a 532, and you need a Samuel. That's all you need.
Thank you, thank you. Alright, so right now we're putting the passenger side Foglight. Goes in like a glove, really. And I already plugged in the Foglight from the old connector, and it's literally a plug and play. It's a good thing because most of the Rams, you need the whole CAN bus and I believe anti-flicker or whatever. This one, apparently not. So let's hook it up, turn it on, and check it out. Done.
So that's the final look. Thank you to Will at Foglights for sending us these Diode Dynamic. This is the sport line, I believe. Make sure you check out his website, foglights.ca, for any quality lighting need. They got headlights, they got LED bar, they got bulbs, they got all the connectors that you may need. These turned out really awesome. Fast install, took us about 15 minutes. They're plug and play, no need for CAN bus systems, and it's an amazing aesthetic upgrade for your Ram. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.